Welcome to Ubinium Tech Solutions. Let's find out synopsis of automobile management services. Let's check out the objective of implementing automobile management services. Automobile services includes one-stop information of vehicles with capturing all the information related to vehicle's number, controlling location. It also has capability to store information of statutory documents like insurance, road tax. We are a team of innovative creators who is always focused on solving problems and try to grow from our clients' success. Real-time problem includes modification in supply chain and business model, emergence of new developing economies, changing consumer preference and demand of digitization. Ubinium can help you to solve features like dealer management, optimizing unsold inventory, and prominent data archival. Feel free to visit us for your ultimate business solutions or can call us for future assistance.